Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by making sure the remote has fresh batteries and the display is active. This ensures commands register. Press and hold the mode or SET button for about 3-5 seconds until the display blinks or a settings icon appears, because that engages configuration mode. Once done, use the temp up/down keys to cycle options quickly. This lets you reach the temperature unit setting without exiting. Make sure to keep pointing at the indoor unit while you work so signals You now navigate the menu to the temperature unit. The remote shows a blinking value sequence, so press the temp up or down keys until you see the degrees F or degrees C symbol highlighted. Because some Lloyd remotes use mode as confirm, press mode, or the SET button briefly to lock your choice. This saves the new unit to the remote memory. Once confirmed, watch for a steady display or an audible beep. These are the device's way of telling you the new unit is active. You finish by exiting setup and testing. Change the set point and observe the remote and indoor unit readout to make sure it shows degrees C instead of degrees F. If the display didn't switch, remove batteries for 10 seconds to force a soft reset, then repeat the process. This clears transient errors. If the unit display still disagrees, make sure the AC's control panel isn't overriding the remote, because some models prioritize the indoor unit setting over remote commands.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.